Hello, my old school soul food fans, family. Hey, today I'm doing a little something different. I'm doing a little outside cooking today. Very quick, not easy. It's easy, but not very quick. Hey, today I'm doing, as you saw by the previous video, I'm doing some old school barbecue spare ribs. I got 2 spare ribs here. I marinate them. They've been, as a matter of fact, they marinate for 24 hours. See, I got 2 big spare ribs here. I put the ingredients on the description of the video. All I did, when you do ribs, you can do any rub or seasoning you want. I'm not into, what kind of seasoning you use. You use this is better, that is better. Whatever you like. On this one here, I got lemon pepper, garlic powder. I got I got my Cavenders Greek seasoning and a little paprika, and that's pretty much it. And I rubbed it on there and put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Let it all the seasoning really marry together. So I got my pit heating up, and we're gonna go out there and put it on the pit. I usually smoke at 250 to 300 degrees for about 4 hours, low and slow. And then I'll foil it down for the last 30 minutes to make sure they get really, really tender, but the bone don't actually fall off. You don't want them to fall off the bone completely, but you still want to have that bite. So anyway, we're going to do that process today. I'm going to show you how to do some good old barbecue outside on the pit with wood, not baby back rib, but regular pork spare rib. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. You see I got my fire going there. And now I'm going to put my ribs on here. Temperature is up to 250. I'm going to close this down. I got my ribs. I always do my fat side, the fat side of the ribs near the fire. Put them on there. I always put this near the fire. Put the other one on there. There we go. That's it. Some people invert them when they put them on there, but I do the whole process this way. I don't flip them or nothing like that. I do the whole process one way. You can start on the top side if you want to, but I just do them like this. They always work out perfect for me. So we're gonna let these smoke for about 4 to 5 hours, 250 degrees. We're gonna go make a basting liquid that I have for it, that I baste on there every 30 minutes. So I'm gonna come back, we'll be in the kitchen, and I'll show you the basting liquid that I use to baste the ribs as they smoking. So as you see, this sitting at 250. It'll be as high as 300. That's pretty much it. And then I'll add wood chips or wood logs as I use these right here. I use these wood logs, logs. I always use hickory. You can use mesquite, you can use oak, but I like using hickory. That's what I grew up on. And then I'll add them periodically as I need them. So anyway, we'll be right back here in a second to make the basting liquid, and I'll show you the whole process throughout the day. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, like I said, we're gonna make the basting liquid here for my ribs. When I barbecue, anytime I barbecue, if I'm doing chicken, ribs, brisket, even sausage, I always have this basting liquid. What this does is keep your barbecue moist. It keep it flavorful. It even help tenderize it too. Help tenderize the process. I got the recipe from a guy that I still go visit a couple of times a year. He's not able to cook anymore. Matter of fact, he's in a nursing facility. He's an elderly man, but he gave me this recipe when I was 18 years old in college, cooking school. And I've been using it ever since. So all it is very simple ingredient you have in your pantry already. All it is white vinegar. You can use apple cider if you want to. I use white Worcestershire sauce. And this recipe I got posted on the page. A little liquid smoke. Use whatever seasoning you want. Of course, I'm gonna use the Cavenders seasoning here. A little sugar, white granulated sugar, and then vegetable oil. That is it. That's all you need. And then you're going to mix it up, and you're going to heat it up just enough to dissolve the sugar and the seasoning. That's all you're gonna do. You don't boil it. You just want to warm it up just to dissolve that. And that's all we're gonna use today. You'll see we're gonna use that to baste on top of the ribs. So anyway, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna remember that basting liquid that we made earlier. Now all I'm gonna do, put it on there and baste that. I'm gonna do this now every 30 minutes. This is already cooked for an hour. So now every 30 minutes I'm gonna come out here and this is what I'm gonna do. What this does, like I say, it makes keeps your meat moist from drying out, and also tenderizes it and keeps it flavored. So yeah, these ribs got about 2.5 more hours to go. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. We'll be back in about 30 minutes. We'll baste it again. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back again here. Okay, we're gonna baste it again. This is the last time we're gonna baste it. The next time we're gonna boil them down. So they've been on here in about 2.5 hours already. So they're almost time to put the foil on them and let them come tender. Yeah, nice pretty ribs there. That's what you want. That's what you want. Keep it nice and juicy and moist. See how pretty that is? That's what you want. Keep your fire at 250, 300. Keep basting them. You'll have some awesome ribs here. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back again here. Okay, we're gonna take these off. They've been on about 3 hours. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna baste them again. I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna foil them down. I'm gonna put them on foil. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do this. Move the camera over so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I got them on the foil there. It's starting to drizzle out here, which then I put a little basting liquid there. Now take the other one. Put the first one down. I'm gonna take the other one and put it on top here. Put the both basting liquid on it. The rest of the basting liquid on there. And we're gonna wrap it in foil here. Got some more foil here. Here. Got the foil underneath it. The shit is all covered. And I'm gonna put it back on the pit. Put the camera back over here so you can see. Okay, I got it back on the pit. And I'm gonna put more wood in my box there. I'm gonna put it up to 350 and gonna let it cook about 45 minutes till they get fork tender. So close that down. Check my wood box. Put some more wood chunks in here. Some more wood in there. We're gonna let it go about 30, 45 minutes, and they're gonna be fork tender. So we'll be back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay. We're going to take these suckers off. I can touch them and I can tell they're ready. So what I'm going to do now, on this platter here. All right. Put them on the platter here. I'm going to take them in the house. We're going to open it up and I'm going to show you what we got. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back in the house here. Okay, take this foil off of here. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Beautiful ribs. Look at that. Got that nice. See, when you got that bend like that, that means they ready. When the ribs bend, That's really mean they're ready. That's how you tell they're ready. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take them off here on the platter. I'm gonna cut one up here. And we're gonna see how it is. Right here. Put them here on the cutting board here. Oh yeah. Can't go wrong with ribs. Can't go wrong here, y'all. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. See that nice smoke? That nice smoke ring on there? See how juicy they are? Look at that. Oh yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut these up, put them on the platter, and I'm gonna come back. Oh my God, I love that little piece right there. Oh, they're so smoking good. I'll be right back. I'm gonna cut these up, put it on the platter, and we'll be right back. Now I'll taste one for you. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. I've cut a few of them up here. Look at all that meat on there. That's why I like spare ribs. See that meat on there? See how meaty that is? Let me show you something here. This is what you want on your ribs. See how easy that meat comes off of there? But you still has that bite. Yeah. See how it's clean the bone is? But the meat is still on the bone. That's what you want. You want the rib like that. You don't want the meat where it's falling off the bone. That's a disappointment. You want to actually pick the rib up and eat it. So that's what you're looking for. See that? See how easy that meat come off the bone? Look at that. See how clean that bone is? This is so juicy. Look at that. This is so juicy, y'all. Look at that. Can't go wrong with barbecue spare ribs. Just follow my procedure. I promise you, your ribs will come out exactly like this. Maybe even better. Low and slow. Look at that. So anyway, give this recipe thumbs up. I love that door. Look at that rib. See that color in them? See that smoke ring? And it's juicy and tender. That's the key to your ribs. But give this video a thumbs up. Please share. Please comment. And until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.